Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. I'm your host Roger. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install a vinyl windshield banner. So the first thing we need to do is go out and wash the car. This windshield needs to be super clean where the vinyl banner goes. Make sure it's really clean up front. Okay, we got the car back in the garage to get it out of that summer heat. So now we're ready to put the windshield banner on. I got this windshield banner up here. And I got some reference marks up here where I'm gonna put it. I have it about 1.5 inches on each side. But what I'm gonna have to do in order to get the curve, I'm gonna have to cut it and put each word in separately. So I'll have the curve of the windshield that I need. Right now, I want these letters up against the very top of the windshield. So when I cut the letters, I have this tape here for references, so I can do the mods first, and then I can do these separately, and I can shove this up where I have a nice curve with the windshield. Okay, we're going to do the center letters first, and we're going to do the wet application. So you need to get you a bottle of water with 1 drop of dish soap in it. I got Dawn in here. So you spray your windshield. Good and wet. And then spray your letters. Make sure you got it right side up. See, that soap gives you enough so you can move it around where you want to put it. And you get your squeegee, you squeegee out the bubbles. Okay, I have that one installed. Gonna have to let it dry for a while. Now we'll start on the next one. Okay, now we'll wet the windshield. Get it good and wet. Spray your letters, good and wet. Make sure it's right side up. Lay it down. Now we'll squeegee it out. Now that was done, ready to let it dry. Look real closely at the letters for air bubbles. I don't see none. See a little bit of air bubbles in the top masking, but as long as they're not in the letters themselves. See the gap that we have in the top masking? That's how much more of a curve we have on the windshield. That lets us get the curve that we need. Okay, be real careful when you're pulling this backing off. Looks like they're coming off real good. Just spray the windshield real good. Spray the letters good. Now we're ready to squeegee it out. Do your final positioning on where you want it and let it dry for a while. I'm gonna let this one dry for at least 24 hours before I come and pull the top layer off. I look real close on the letters, make sure there's no bubbles in it. Now we'll let it dry for a while. Okay, it's been 24 hours now. Now I went ahead and pulled the top masking off. I think it turned out pretty good.